Okay, we've all seen the sevens problem from Which and on the internet, where you have to get the right answer. So we're going to try that on the QAMA calculator. This is just a screenshot of my Android app, and I shall use what's called the each mode. So to get it into the each mode, I press second and then each. There's a bit of a lag on here, but we can see the each mode's now working. So now I just start typing in the numbers that we need, which was 7 plus 7 divided by 7 plus 7 times by 7 take away 7. And the QAMA calculator always waits for a reasonable estimate first, but the each mode means that we do each section bit by bit. So if I press the equals button now on the phone, we'll see that the cursor drops down to the left hand side and we start doing the first bit. Now we need to estimate this. It's got to be a reasonable estimation, and for 7 divided by 7, the only reasonable estimation is the right answer, which is 1. So if I just type in 1 and then the equals button again, and if it's right, then it will replace the 7 divided by 7 with the 1, as you can see. Now I need to do 7 add 1, which again, the only reasonable estimate is the right answer. So I type that in, and that replaces it to become 8. Now 7 times 7, again the only reasonable estimate is the right answer. Next bit, again this is quite a simple one, 49 plus 8, that's going to be 57 equals. So each time I enter an estimate I then press the equals button. And now the final one, 57 take away 7, which of course is going to be 50. And then once we've gone through all that with those estimates, we then get the final answer delivered, which is 50. So we can see that the QAMA calculator, part of the artificial intelligence that it uses, means that it can break down complicated calculations step by step using the proper laws of mathematics. Now you can stop watching here if you want, but now we'll just have a quick look and see what happens if instead of using 7, we're using 7.1. Okay, so I'll just clear those. We're going to use the each mode again, so we'll keep using the each mode. Now 7.1 times 7 plus 7.1, wasn't it? Okay, so we'll just delete that. Plus 7.1 divided by 7.1 plus 7.1 times 7.1 take away 7.1. Okay, equals. So now we've got to do each section bit by bit. So we do the first one. Of course, the only reasonable estimate is going to be the right answer with this one, because you should know that a number divided by itself equals 1. And if it's right, now we do the next bit. Again, if you're just adding 1, really the only reasonable estimate here is going to be the right answer. And you can see here in a minute, you'll see that I can check the answer button. 7.1 times 7.1, well, 49 should be quite a good estimate for that. Now we've got 50.41 plus 8.1, so that's going to be 58.5, say. Okay, and finally that's going to be, say, 51.4. So you can see the QAMA calculator is making you work all the time as well. And we can see here's the precise answer, 51.41. That's how the QAMA calculator can deal with all those annoying internet memes on order of operations.